Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this comprehensive guide, we will show you how to hide the badge icon in Telegram. By following these simple steps, you can keep your Telegram interface clean and clutter-free. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once the app opens, look for the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. This icon represents the menu. Tap on it to access the Telegram settings. Step 3. Inside the menu, you'll find various options. Locate and tap on Settings to proceed. Step 4. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Badge Counter. Tap on it to access the Badge Counter settings. Step 5. Now, within the Badge Counter settings, you'll find an option called Show Badge Icon. By default, it is enabled. Tap on the toggle switch beside it to disable the badge icon. Disabling the badge icon will remove the numerical badge indicator from the Telegram app icon, providing you with a cleaner and more minimalist interface. By following these steps, you have successfully hidden the badge icon in Telegram, creating a sleek and uncluttered user experience. We hope you found this full guide on hiding the badge icon in Telegram helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help you. Thank you for watching and enjoy your Telegram experience with a clean and badge-free interface.